Experian is one of the major credit reporting agencies in the United States and plays a significant role in building and maintaining credit scores. The question of whether Experian can build credit is often asked by individuals looking to establish or improve their credit history. To answer this question, it is essential to understand how credit scores are calculated and the role Experian plays in this process. Credit scores are calculated based on information in your credit reports, including payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit inquiries. Experian can help build credit by providing a platform for lenders to report credit information, which is then used to calculate credit scores. When you make on-time payments, keep credit utilization low, and maintain a diverse mix of credit accounts, Experian will reflect this positive information in your credit report, contributing to a stronger credit profile. For individuals looking to build credit, Experian offers several tools and services, including Experian Boost, which allows you to add positive payment history from utility bills and other non-traditional credit sources to your credit report. This can be particularly helpful for people with limited or no credit history. To maximize the benefits of using Experian to build credit, it is crucial to monitor your credit report regularly, ensuring it is accurate and up to date. You can request a free credit report from Experian once a year, which will help you identify areas for improvement and track your progress over time. In conclusion, Experian can indeed play a role in building credit by providing a platform for credit information to be reported and used in credit score calculations. By understanding how credit scores are calculated, using Experian's tools and services, and maintaining good credit habits, you can effectively build and improve your credit profile.